Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today on our channel we're going to be going over our July Premium Boxycharm. I just got it in the mail today and I'm super excited about it because, as everyone knows, it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Takeover box. So I've been looking forward to this for a while and it finally came in the mail. So I'm super excited to open it. Before we get started, I just wanted to say, if you like makeup, beauty subscriptions, or subscriptions in general, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and get started here. And it is way heavier than normal boxes, so that already makes me super excited. Let's go ahead and cut it open. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a makeup beauty subscription and is $25 a month for the base box, which is 5 full-size items. This is the premium box, which is $35 a month, which is 6 full-size items. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up here. It has the pretty purple color for the box. And this is the card with the information on it of everything that is inside of the box, with a coupon or reminder of sale on the bottom. Okay, and let's see what we got here. First thing I'm pulling out is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer Pencil. And I was looking forward to getting one of these, so I'm happy that I got it. It's in the shade medium brown, which seems like it would be like a perfect shade for me. Let's go ahead and get it open and see what it looks like. Okay, this is different than the one that I have. This looks a little bit more fancier than the original one that I have. Okay, and this is valued at $23. Okay, so one side you have like the brow comb, and on the other side you have the pencil, which I like that it's like thinner and more like the shape of an actual eyebrow hair. So let's see what color this is. Seems to be very nice medium brown. I think it would go good with my eyes because it's almost like you have to build it up, which I like that. I don't like the intense dark bold color right away because then I would be making a lot of mistakes with my eyebrows, which I'm not like the best at it anyways, but with tools like this, hopefully I can be even better at it. Okay, so moving on, I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter Powder. And let's see, I was hoping to get the more pinky shade out of the two, but I would be happy regardless with either one. And I did, I got the more gold one. So that's the other one that was in there. I wasn't really looking forward to getting this one as much, but you never know, I might love it. This one is valued at $25. For those of you who do get one of the loose highlighters, just know that even though it has a sticker on here, I spent quite a bit of time trying to peel it off, but you just pull this plastic piece up and it comes right up, just so you know that. You might make a huge mess if you're not really careful with it. And this is what it looks like just on my finger. It looks like on the skin. And then it blends out into this beautiful shimmer. I actually really like that more than I thought that I would. That's really pretty. Okay, let me go ahead and find the lid for this. I can put this to the side. And then the packaging on this is just absolutely beautiful. That alone sells this for me. Look at this. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love the bling. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out, I'm not as excited about because I already have this. This is the Dewy Setting Spray, and it's valued at $26. I actually got this in a mini haul that I've done recently, so I'm going to be giving one of these to someone. It may not be this in particular one. I'll go ahead and open this one, and the other one I'll give away. I haven't opened that one yet either. But yet again, love the bling. So either way, I'll get one and someone else will get one. So let's see. I didn't put any setting spray on, so oh, that's really nice. So it does have a little bit of sparkle in it, but not nearly as much as you would think. And I like how in the front it has a place for you to lock it so that it doesn't just spray out and get everywhere and all messy. So that is very nice. It felt very good going on my face. 2 squirts was plenty for me. I did actually really like it. I just wasn't so excited about it because I had already had one. So there is that. The next thing was one of my choice items was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydrating Oil. And this was really just lack of options for me, but this actually is a really big size bottle of face oil. And I like that it's a really dark blue. Very pretty packaging on this. It smells almost like essential oils. It smells very good. But a very light smell, not too strong and not overly moisturizing. So it doesn't make my skin feel greasy, but definitely moisturized. So I do like that. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out of here is false lashes. These are Snazzy is the brand of these. So those are cute. Go ahead and open these up here. Those are very nice. They almost look very natural looking eyelashes, maybe with like mascara looking natural eyelashes, but I like them, and if not, I know one of my friends that would really enjoy these. This oil was valued at $45. These eyelashes are valued at $12. And I love how they went above and beyond on this packaging to make sure that it got to us safely, because it is very, very expensive. $60 for an eyeshadow palette. But I am really excited about digging into some of these colors in here. And the packaging on this just screams high end to me. I love how heavy it is, how, if I can get this open, how much good quality. Oh, wow. Absolute full-size mirror in there. And then these are the colors. Very, very nice. I'm just going to swatch a few of these because there is a lot of colors on here. I'm going to swatch a few of them on my arm and I'll be right back. Okay, these, I just couldn't stop. I did way more than I thought I could. It was just so much fun dipping into the colors, and they went on so beautifully. This is only one time. This is only swatched one time, and I think these colors are absolutely gorgeous. The shimmers, the mattes, they all went on really smooth, and the color payout was amazing. As you see, I only did it one time, and it's just crazy bright on my arm. So excited to be playing with this palette this week. Everything that I had for you today. Thanks so much for watching.